Hi, I'm Philip Aliband and I'm working in the Global Solution Management Group at SAP, where I'm responsible for our corporate close solution, S/4HANA for Group Reporting. Looking at the end-to-end record-to-report process within the finance domain, S/4HANA Group Reporting can be categorized under financial close, as the solution is primarily focused on the data collection and consolidation activities for the group close. However, the solution also addresses group close in a wider context, covering consolidation of planned data, as well as the analysis and reporting of group close results. You're probably aware that we shipped the first on-premise version of the software back in September 2018 with the 1809 release, and you might have seen the video on this back then. This release was essentially a summarization of the prior cloud releases of the solution, which we first brought to market in May 2017. And the new 1909 release rolls up the functionality shipped in the cloud versions since the November 2018 cloud release. This means that the functionality delivered with the on-prem group reporting solution is essentially identical to the corresponding cloud version. The basis for SAP S/4HANA for Group Reporting is the S/4HANA Universal Journal, which contains all accounting journals from local entities. S/4HANA for Group Reporting enriches this detailed accounting data with the group journal entries from your consolidation activities to provide one common set of data for your group close. In this model, data is not copied from the general ledger to a separate consolidation system, so time-consuming reconciliation is not required for transactional and master data. The fact that you're using one set of data means that by default you have all the dimensionality of the Universal Journal also available for your consolidation, and you can drill from group reporting right down through to the local accounting entries. S/4HANA for Group Reporting covers all the activities you need for a successful group close, from inputting your local accounting data into the solution to the preparation phase covering data validation and currency translation. The process continues with consolidation activities during which the intercompany data is eliminated and consolidation of investments is performed. Then the final step is analysis and reporting, using a variety of front-end tools. Today, I'd like to tell you about two innovations we're introducing in the S/4HANA 1909 release in the preparation and consolidation phases to address two typical bottlenecks in the corporate close process. To start, let's focus on how to fast-track and streamline the matching and reconciliation of intercompany transactions across the corporate group and ensure the finance teams can provide timely feedback on intercompany discrepancies. Secondly, let's look at how you can respond rapidly to management reporting requirements with frequently changing managerial entity hierarchies to provide up-to-date figures on consolidated performance across legal and managerial dimensions. Starting with the first topic on intercompany reconciliation, the new intercompany matching and reconciliation functionality matches detailed intercompany transactions at source in the Universal Journal or on balance level, eliminating cumbersome extraction and mapping in a separate reconciliation tool. The Manage Assignments app lists company transactions and corresponding partner transactions separately in the top half of the screen. Once you've run the auto match process, the solution shows match items in the bottom half of the screen linked by assignment number. Any variance in the matching can be adjusted automatically via an in-app workflow, so the responsible finance manager can accept or reject the variance and also add commentary. This facilitates communication on a detailed level across your finance teams, eliminating the time lags typically encountered when reconciling intercompany transactions, and enhances transparency and visibility across this key closing process. Now let's turn our attention to combined reporting across legal and managerial dimensions, which we often refer to as matrix consolidation. Companies need to react rapidly and flexibly to management reporting requirements across profit center, business segment, and entity hierarchies. Importantly, reports need to show the correct consolidated results on the correct hierarchical levels. This is a challenge to finance solutions because organizational hierarchies change frequently as companies respond to new business conditions and scenarios. The functionality for matrix consolidation in the new 1909 release solves this dilemma in a very innovative way by automatically determining the correct hierarchy level when you run the report based on the organizational hierarchies you select and the underlying reported data and the pairwise eliminations. From the intersections in the report, which contain the managerial and legal entity data, you can drill down to the underlying accounting journals. The solution also enhances these posted journals with information on the related hierarchy levels seen in the report, which guarantees full auditability of the data. So thanks for watching this brief overview of some of the key functionalities in S/4HANA for group reporting being shipped with the 1909 release. I look forward to your feedback and comments.